Hi everyone! Forget spending months learning to code. In 2026, you can launch a professional web app in just a few minutes using Flames.blue AI. Whether you're building a SaaS prototype or a marketing landing page, this tool handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on the idea. Let's build something from scratch. First, head to the Flames.blue dashboard and click the plus new project icon in the top right corner. You'll be greeted with a prompt box. This is where the magic happens. Don't just type "make a website," get specific. For example, create a modern SaaS landing page for a fitness app with a pricing table and a user sign-up form. Once your description is ready, hit the Build with AI button. In 2026, the engine is incredibly fast. You'll see the AI start to assemble the front-end UI, set up the back-end logic, and even suggest branding colors and fonts that match your description in real time. If something isn't quite right, you don't need to touch the code. Just use the chat sidebar to ask for changes. You can say, "Make the header sticky," or "Change the primary theme color to emerald green." The AI will update the live preview instantly. If you need to see your previous versions, just click My Projects to jump back to earlier iterations. Naming and personalization. Before we go live, let's give the project a name. Click the pencil icon next to the project title at the top. Type in your app's name and hit Enter. This makes it much easier to organize your dashboard as you start building more complex tools. Finally, it's time to deploy and share. Click the Deploy button in the top right. Flames.blue provides built-in hosting, so you don't need to worry about servers. Once the status changes to Published, copy the unique URL. You can send this link to clients or users immediately, and your app is officially live on the web. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.